There is something powerful about cooking with fish. Fish brings depth, it brings richness and character to a dish. Fish is bold, it is flavorful. When fish is done right, it doesn't just sit on the plate, it speaks. It carries flavor in every bite, especially when paired with the right ingredients. Today we are making a very delicious fish sauce. Hey people, it is the season of celebration. We are moving into the new year. Yay! Happy New Year! Oh, it is a season of joy and we are grateful to God. So let's make this very delicious fish recipe that will speak to you. I'm going to leave the list of ingredients in the description or in the comments. This is a very simple recipe to follow. Just watch the video and give me feedback, okay? I love you guys. Mwah!